Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to use profiles on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's open the apps icon. From the following view, let's choose profile. And as you can see here, you can use all profiles that are possible on this car. So here you've got some climate and environment profiles, like for example, quick cool. So these modes immediately sets the air conditioning to maximum power and lowest temperature. It is designed to rapidly cool down a hot cabin after a car has been sitting in the sun. As you can see, here we've got the information about this quick cool. For example, the fan speed will be at level 8. The AC will be, of course, on. It will also use the air outlet mode and so on. You can also use the one touch warm right here, similar to quick cool, but for winter. This activates the heating system at full strength to warm up the interior as quickly as possible. You can read information here about the preset. For example, it will use the temperature at 26 degrees, and it will use the following features as well. Let's close it. You can also use rain and snow mode. This one. This profile optimizes the vehicle for slippery conditions. It typically adjusts the climate control to prevent wind or fogging and may also adjust traction control. As you can see, you can read the information here. It will also enable the rear fog lights, low beams, position lights, and front and rear defrost of AC. You can also use some lifestyle and convenience profiles, like for example the baby care. Here you've got the information about baby care. This mode creates a comfortable environment for infants. It often lowers the volume at 8 and also adjusts the air condition and other stuff for perfect condition for your baby. So it's really useful to use the baby car. You can use the parking mode right here, and this parking mode will close all windows, air conditioner and wiper. You can also use the rest mode. Here you can set up the time of your rest mode, as you can see right here. So you can also customize the rest mode. If you would like to change something, you can do it from that panel. And if you are ready to use the rest mode, you can set up, for example, the rest mode for 6 minutes, for 6 hours, for 30 minutes. You can decide how long the rest mode should be activated, and if you are ready, you can tap start to use it. You can also use the custom mode by using the following settings. You can customize your own mode, and you can tap confirm and just tap custom mode to activate. Let me disable this mode right now. That's it. So you can use all of the following profiles just by tapping one of them. You can simply enable or disable these modes. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.